Who's back?
Actually, I'm recording.
Yeah.
Now I'm eating. Hey guys.
3,
This is, I'm finished it.
2, 1. Hey guys, hey everybody, welcome to this segment. Welcome to Tea Time. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I'm here with my little sister. I've seen her from my other videos. If you haven't seen her, I don't know what you're doing. Let's do like a welcome song for the family that just joined.
Who?
Hey everybody, welcome to Tea Time. Hey everybody, oh, welcome to Tea Time. You didn't even try.
Welcome.
That's all. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're going to enjoy this journey with me and my family and everybody else that I have on here all the time.
Wait, where am I meant to be looking? Up there or down there? I always forget.
You now in the video when we're like how many minutes in is when you're asking where you're supposed to be looking.
I was looking at both.
You're supposed to be looking into the lens. Do you know what the lens is? You did media.
Yeah. No, but that's what I'm saying. I was looking.
So I'm here with my little sister.
Hey guys.
Right, so because it's September and I know most of you guys are probably going into uni. Some of you are going into second year, third year. So yeah, I just thought why not bring out a first year of uni tag video. I'm gonna share as well about my first year experience, but I'm just gonna ask a couple questions.
The memory's a bit hazy, you know.
Okay, how long ago did I graduate?
When was your first year? What year? 2012. Exactly. 2012 was your first.
Hey, that was 6 years ago. No.
You're old and Siwa. That's what you are.
I'm not Antiwa. I'm not old. Man's young out here, forever, baby. I'm forever young. Forever young. I wanna be forever young.
Tim was like, good.
Guys, hold on. We forgot to say. Well, I forgot to say. This is like a new layout, new setup. I'm trying it out. So you let me know in the comments as well if it works. Do you think it works?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, I think it works as well. Like, but then I feel like the background is a bit bare. So I'll look for stuff I want to achieve.
I just wanted to get a T1. I wanted to get a T1 or a first. And yeah, I got a T1, so I reached my goal.
So why didn't you get the first?
Hey, I was a bit tech. How do you know it is?
Where is it?
I actually, for me to get a T1, I don't even know how, because I'm telling you, there was
didn't attend any lectures?
No, I did. In the first semester, I only missed like 3 lectures in total. It was second semester that it got a bit too much for me. But I really did attend lectures. It wasn't even attending lectures, it's just that like some modules I actually didn't know what I was doing. I'll be in a lecture sitting down. I didn't get it. But yeah, God, it's all God anyway.
What did you study?
Psychology with criminology. Go to Loughborough University.
Oh, please. She always boasts about the top.
I don't boast.
The first 10.
It's top 10, not first 10. Top 10. Yeah. Just enjoy yourself. First year is actually about enjoying yourself. I don't mean like go out and party like every day, but just enjoy yourself. Like go out with your friends. If it's like people who live in your comm, go out with them.
This is a comm that you should do.
Accommodation. Accommodation. You just go out and meet new people, because like even like the second year, like, there's so many people. Like I'm going to second year. There's so many people that I do not know. I have not met. Like I know of. Just like I just don't know who you are. And I'm really bad with names. Try and get good with names, because I'll meet people. I met people. Second time meeting them, third time meeting them, I don't know your name, and I'll be smiling like, yeah.
Yeah, them ones. Hi, yeah. Oh my gosh, hi. I should say. Do you know? I say, hey sis. Not to say that everyone I call sis, because I call a lot of people sis.
Yeah.
Not to say that everyone I call sis, I don't know their names, but if I defo don't know your name, please believe I'm going to call you, oh hey sis. And
then names. But yeah, no, first year, it's just what you make it. Like, especially, it depends what uni you go. Like, some people's unis, they don't like it. They're like, yeah, the uni's dead. No one, don't go to uni for fun or for party, because that's not what you're going there to find. No. You're going there for a degree.
But then, to be honest, I think it's just what you make it. Like
yeah, no,
said.
Uni is what you make it. Especially my uni.
Because someone can have you could be doing the same things, but you can have a completely different experience from you.
Yeah.
By the way, not everyone's gonna have the same experience. For me, for first year, it is definitely what you make it. I just had fun in my first year. Yeah, I had fun in first year. I would only say it was only second year and third year that I started to buckle down, because I knew that, you know,
I think
crap is gonna hit the fan if you don't. But first year, what? I would have people come to my house, I'd share Indomie, I'll cook Indomie. Hardly did I go to the library to go and do work.
Yeah, but
the library was fashion show first year. I'm so sorry to say. Well, how is it like in your uni?
The library's library enough, but it's just a thing. Like, I went to the library, I think like less than 20 times in the whole year, but that's because the library was actually too far for me. Like, I actually just did work at home. Like, I physically could not. It was like a 20-minute walk.
So you
that's a heavy question. I don't think I developed anything. I think I came the same way I went. Like, I actually don't think
to be honest, I think you're kinda.
You think?
Yeah.
Well then, I was always kind. That's always a characteristic that I value.
No, let me tell you.
Oh, whatever.
She's the one from the sibling tag that said she was born alone.
Yes, I eat alone.
Eat alone. Anyway,
shout out to LA. There was no need to contact them, not because it was easy, just that I couldn't be bothered to contact. Like, some things I could have probably emailed them about, but I couldn't. But in second semester, I actually emailed, because one of my modules, like halfway, not even halfway, almost towards the end of the year, like when exam season was about to start and deadline season is rolling through, the lecturer left, as in she said, her visa expired or something, so she had to go back to America. So they had to change our lecturer. It was like, I think it was like 3 weeks or 4 weeks to the end. They had to change our lecturer. So I had to email the new one, like, what do you want? Because different lecturers want different things. So, yeah,
that's true. Sure that is a key thing. That is a key thing that I'll tell anybody. It's true. Different lecturers do want different. Don't think just because this lecturer wants you to write. I remember that. I didn't even notice that in first year actually. I noticed that doing my my masters, my PGD. Would you say you need to be social in first year?
No, because I wasn't social and I still have friends. I don't think I was that social. Like I don't really remember making friends. Like, it just came to like the next year, like, you know, like, so I started 2017, so 2018, and I had friends. I was like, oh, when did this happen? No,
because can you see? No, because she's not kind.
No.
So she's wondering
like I always have to remember how I met. Like, some people I met through my accommodation, so they lived in the same accommodation as me. But then some, I just like, I met people in different ways. Like, some I met at ACS.
ACS.
Join the society, guys, because join it.
Secretary.
No, just join any society. Yeah, so you meet people in your lectures, like on your course and everything. But there's some people that you wouldn't meet, like you wouldn't never come across them unless at the society. So yeah, it's just good to join a society. Then
I would also say as well, try and branch out to other societies.
Yeah, like my friend, she joined the law society.
The law society, yeah. There's art society. That's the thing about uni. There's various things that you go into. When you go into Freshers Fair, you see all of them at the side. Like, don't feel away. Even things that you don't think you're gonna enjoy, still try them. You can't. Well. Yeah, you can't knock them till you try.
Yeah, first year is actually for trying. Yeah, you don't have that time in second year. Yeah. I was living off toast, but then the thing is that, but people laugh when I say, but I actually like toast. Like, I didn't feel like, oh, I was hungry. Like, I was just eating toast.
I can't live off toast, I'm sorry to say.
I think I was eating toast. I didn't know what else I was eating. Even thinking back to it, I only cooked like proper major, like I think 3 times in uni. So I don't know what I did for the whole year.
For me, completely different experience. Sorry, when I was going to first year, she packed a bag of rice, bag of gari, a whole carton, I think even 2 of Indomie. So I was chilling. I even used to invite people to my house to come and eat. Like,
okay, but what actually kind of got me through, I remember as well, because mommy actually did make me food, you know.
Yeah,
when I came back to London, she would make me like bare containers of jollof rice, or like
I got that, yeah.
Or like stew.
She's even making iamteetime now.
Just some, like, she wouldn't make me food, but then obviously the food does go. So when the food does go, it's up to you. Like, I really had to. I'll be making stir fry. What else? I think like frozen food, chips.
Chicken,
chicken strips, like
really
all I used to eat. Really.
One time I even took Gary to the library. Like I
see that's ridiculous.
I took Gary to, this wasn't even first year, I think this was like second year. I had the funniest of uni experiences. I actually miss uni.
So you took Gary, and then did you take the water bottle separate?
Yeah, water bottle separate, a bag of peanuts separate, bag of sugar separate. No, I put the Gary and sugar mixed together in a plastic container.
Tissy, that's really bad.
And I got to the library and I bought it.
And you were eating it?
Hey, no, I'll drink it. What was I supposed to do? It was a snack, something light to have whilst revising, whilst writing an essay.
My deadlines, I was fine. It's not like I didn't miss any deadlines.
That's good.
I tried to get it done at least the day before. So I'd aim. At least the day before. So I'd aim to get the deadline. I don't want to put it in on the day. I want to put it in the day before.
I thought she meant she didn't start till the day before.
Oh no, that's ridiculous. That's what Shopper does.
Were you scared to leave home and stuff? Were you scared, or were you just like looking forward to it?
I wasn't looking forward to it, but I wasn't scared either. It was just like, yeah, okay, uni. Like, I feel like...
Were you excited? Were you even excited? I was happy.
I feel like from second year of college, they start uni. You come in second year of college, it's uni. So obviously, second year's finished now. I'm in uni. Like, over summer, like, I know, okay, I'm going to this uni. It wasn't like, oh yeah, I'm going to this uni. I'm gonna be. No. It was like, yeah, I'm going to uni. Like, thank God.
I was excited. It was just like, you're letting somebody out their cage. Like lonely at all in first year.
I don't think so.
Or homesick. Because there might be some people that have to deal with homesickness. Like if you do get homesick, it's completely normal. Don't feel. I think on my first day, on my first night, it was my first time ever sleeping in a room by myself, because I shared a room in the house before I left to uni. I had to turn off the lights. And I felt homesick.
Because of the lights?
Yeah, I felt homesick.
But we went Nando's, innit? Yeah, the first night I remember we went Nando's, and I came back. It's not that I was homesick, but it was just silent, like pin drop silent. It's like you can hear your thoughts, you can hear everything, because it's actually just you
quiet
in a square. But that was really it. Like, I think it was alright.
Yeah.
It was alright.
But for me, it was just, oh my gosh, I'm in this space now. Like, it's like, it dawned on me that okay, I'm at uni now. First year survival kit.
What's my survival kit? Well, my phone, my laptop. Oh my god, snacks. This comes like food.
Yes.
You know, I used like that's why I don't think I was hungry that much, because I would actually eat a pack of biscuits and I'll be full. That at one point it was custard creams, and then chocolate digestives.
Me, high five.
And then
chocolate digestives. If you survive, you will survive.
yeah, you will survive. Not even that. I wanted to know like what is uni like? Uni's just weird, man.
Why is it weird?
Because you actually have a lot of time to do nothing, and I think that's another reason why I'm sleeping. You have a lot of time to actually do nothing. Can
I say something? Please, if you're in uni, I'm begging you for the life of me. If you're in uni, enjoy it. She's just said you have a lot of time to do nothing. As soon as you step out, you think, I'm gonna flip. No.
Even working this whole summer just really made me realise I was looking for a job in uni. I'm still looking for a job, but it just made me realise that I don't think I want a job while I'm in uni, because guys, when you leave uni, all you're gonna do is work. You're gonna work 5 days a week and you're gonna cry. I'm
begging you, listen to her.
Like this whole summer I was at work like basically every day. I don't think I'm ready for it.
Let me tell you, bring your chair and bring your ears. Let me beg you, let me tell you. You're not ready. Obviously in uni, if you need money, try work.
No, if you can work, and if it's not going to interfere with your lectures.
Exactly, do that. Yeah. But don't go and be killing yourself working.
Yeah.
I had friends,
if you can work one day a week, work that one day.
I had friends, even if there was a point where I used to work in uni as well, like I would go back, I'll shuttle between London and Canterbury. like, I have friends who used to work constantly as well as do uni, and I don't know how they did it. They still graduate, but I don't know how they did it. And the thing is, when you,
to those who do it,
when you leave uni, you realize all you're doing is you're either looking for work, and then once you've found work, that's all you want to do because you want to make money to do this, go on holiday. But there is no, it's like time is going like this once you leave uni. So I would advise anybody, if you can get through without working constantly through your time there, do that.
Yeah,
do that, because university experience is to be enjoyed as well as make decisions and do your work and graduate. It's also to be enjoyed, because me, more enjoy around me. I can't lie to anybody.
It was like really hard to actually find a church that I liked, because coming, like, I don't know, when you compare like CNS to like other churches, it's just like everything's just dull. In like but yeah, everything's just like, everything's different. That's another thing, guys. Find a church. If you go to church in London, find a church, because Sundays will go even slower if you're not going to church. You're just gonna wake up and lie down in bed because you're not going to do work.
I remember the times when I didn't, and this was like when I didn't go to church, because in first year, I was home in London like almost every other week.
Yeah, I think I was as well. My friends used to tell me I was in London a lot.
Yeah, I don't think you were though. There were times when you would think, oh, when
you wouldn't see me for like 2 months. Yeah. But then there was times that every other week I was in London.
No, I was in London constantly. Like I had to go back in second year with the mindset of, okay, London, I'm not doing you every other weekend. When I didn't go to church, it was just like, what am I doing? Like, you know, when your insides are just not feeling correct.
Yeah,
it's just like,
because I used to go.
You know, you're
go
supposed
church
to be
every
somewhere.
Sunday.
Yeah.
So for you to now not go to church when you go to uni doesn't make sense. That's why I used to like try and make sure I went to church.
Shout out Salem can go to church even during the week as well, and it just helped having that connection there. Even though you're away from home, you still have that there to like push you and help you on when days got really tough. Unique. I received this bag. I went for the Purpose Leaders event a couple of weeks ago, and they were doing a giveaway. Now I wasn't really gonna join, but I joined just as they were about to call the names, and I was one of the first winners up. So in the giveaway, it's got lots and lots and lots of fantastic products.
A random pick.
Yeah, you randomly pick.
Random. I have to close my eyes.
So I'll shake.
Can you hear that? Products.
Ooh, she
got some Elf blush and bronzing powder,
matte contouring. Yeah. So that's
there. You see, let's do what the YouTubers do. This is what they do.
Frankincense intense lift serum.
What does that mean?
Skin is visibly lifted and recontoured.
Neil's Yard Remedies, Covent Garden. We got that too. You know, some skin stuff. We've got Hourglass Ambient
powder,
lighting powder. So it's basically like a face powder.
There's still lots more inside, but I've decided to give it to you guys because, you know, I just love you guys and you guys are my family. Sorry to the male, to the guys that watch. I'm so sorry. I don't know if anything in here would be for you. But you can get it, exactly, you can get it for your girlfriend and save it till Christmas time. So you just give it to her as, wow, that's your Christmas present. So yeah guys, it's a Feel Unique goodie bag. Please look down below for instructor. Whoa, what was that?
Whoa. I think you know it was a whoa. Whoa.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed me being here, and it's nice to
what is wrong with you?
Like, comment,
share,
oh my gosh, and subscribe.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah. And for new people who have just joined, please share with your friends. Let's make it a bigger tea party.
Make it a bigger tea. This is not singing everything. My friend, you know my friends always say that I sing everything.
Yeah, you do. Let's sing a goodbye song. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends goodbye.
Yeah, yeah.
And now it's time to go.
Go, 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 go.
And it's okay, and that's okay. We wish to see you very soon, I know.
Yeah, yeah.
Very soon, I know.